What's going on, my friend? Garrett Barry here, back again with another video. Now, in today's video, what I'm going to share with you is how to promote affiliate products online without a blog or a website. Okay, maybe you're someone that's brand new or you've been struggling. Maybe you're not very technical. You don't have a lot of time in the day, and you don't want to go through the work of, creating a website or building out blogs and articles and stuff like that. Well, in today's video, I'm going to reveal exactly how to start making money with affiliate marketing without having to have a website, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is break down the 2 simple steps that you need to do in order to do this. And I'm going to reveal them in extreme detail as you continue to follow me inside of this video. Now, the 2 simple steps that I'm going to break down in detail is number 1, how to find a product to promote. That's the first step to really do affiliate marketing without a website or a blog. You need to actually find a product to start recommending people to start to earn commissions. I'm also going to share with you how to get people to your affiliate link and make money without a website. Again, I'm going to share with you, once we find the product, how to get targeted people checking out your sales page, checking out your affiliate link, and then buying so you can make money as soon as this week. Now, be sure to stay until the very end of the video because you're going to discover where to find these powerful sites with products. And I'm also going to share with you 3 incredibly easy ways to get traffic, which is visitors, to your sales page for free starting today, okay? So you do not want to miss out on that. But before that, if you want to learn online money-making methods, affiliate marketing, or how to create passive income, be sure to go down below, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified of my latest video. Last, if you want to discover my #1 recommended way to make money online, click the first link in the description to check it out. Without further ado, let's begin today's video. All right, my friend, welcome back. Now, I'm on the first place that we can find affiliate products to promote, and I'm going to actually share with you 4 different places as you continue to follow. Now, I do have another video and other videos on my channel where I walk through more about the different affiliate networks you can actually choose and the ones I recommend. So I'm not going to go into such detail. I'm going to give you an overview and a big picture because, again, that's all covered on my channel. But I'm going to share with you just an overview, how to find products, and then 3 different methods, again, as you follow me, to start getting traffic for free. I think you're really going to like that. So once you're on Clickbank, you just want to create a free account. And again, all of these are going to be free to actually create an account with. You can do that. If you don't know how to create an account, simple Google search and you can see how to do that in about 5 minutes with each of these. But once you're inside, you'd go to the marketplace. Now, the marketplace is where you're going to find all these different products to actually promote. And if you have never been to Clickbank, on the left side, they have all these different categories. Now, these are different categories you can choose products in to actually promote and start to make money with affiliate marketing. Now, a lot of people ask me that watch my channel and, some of my students like, Garrett, what category do you recommend me choose? In all of these different places to find products, which types of products should I choose? Well, it comes down to a few different factors. Number 1, I recommend people choose evergreen niches, evergreen topics. These are topics that will never go away. These are health, wealth, and relationships. Okay, so down here you can see that wealth is going to be business and investing, e-business and marketing. Health is going to be health and fitness, and then relationships is going to be in self-help. You can go to dating guides. Okay, all the other ones are going to come and go. Sometimes things aren't going to be as popular. So I would go into, again, one of those categories. And once you do, let's say health and fitness, and let's say you go to diets and weight loss, you would just open that up and you get taken to a list of different products on Clickbank that you can actually start to choose and to promote. Now, what I recommend you do is you sort results by popularity, or I'm sorry, you sort results by gravity. It's going to be on popularity by default. Sort by gravity, that's going to list the top selling products towards the top. Now, the reason you want to find the top selling products to promote is because chances are, if it's already selling well and you get people to check out that sales page, which is just a page that sells the affiliate product that you'll get access to when you choose a product and get your link, it will be a good chance that it will sell most people if it's high selling, right? So you want to do that. Now, again, if you're on Clickbank and really any of these sites I'm going to share with you, what you will do to get your link is just click right here. Okay, and it's going to be slightly different on each site, but the process is the same. Generate hop links, and then boom, now you have a link. Okay, now this link is going to go to the sales page of this product, and I recommend you kind of check out the sales page, make sure it's good. make sure that you actually resonate with what it's saying before you actually promote it. Okay, so this looks pretty good to me, and it's already high selling. You make $38 per sale. Okay, Clickbank pays out between 30% to 70% commissions, meaning if you recommend someone to a product, you're gonna make about 30 to 70% of that money, which is pretty good. And this is gonna pay you about $38. So again, what you would do is you would just take this link and yours would be coded to you. Basically, it's a cookie that fires on someone's computer or browser whenever they check out this link. And that's how Clickbank will know if they bought through your link or someone else. So you would just copy that link, and that's what link you would start promoting with the three methods I'm gonna share with you as you follow along to the end of the video. So Clickbank is the first place. Very good and very powerful. Now, the second site that I tend to recommend people that I've personally used to find products is Jvzoo.com. Now, Jvzoo.com, what you want to understand is this is mostly going to be internet marketing and make money online type of products. Okay, so if you're watching this video, maybe you're interested in weight loss, maybe you're interested in mixed martial arts or yoga, then this site would not be my #1 recommendation for you. You're not going to really find a lot of products like that, okay? But I do want to share with you this site because I've used it for a lot of products. Easy for me to say, right? So once you're on here, once you've logged in, once you've created a free account, again, it's very simple. You would go to affiliates, find products, and it's going to list down all these different products that, again, you can start to promote. Now, Jvzoo is slightly different on how you choose the products. You're going to want to look at how many are sold. Okay, these are how many of the products actually were sold. What's the conversion rate? Okay, that means like how many people went to the sales page and bought. The higher the conversion rate, usually the better. That means it's a good selling product. And then you also want to, look at the average price. Okay, you don't want to promote something that's just like a couple dollars because it's not going to be worth your time. You want to promote something at least $25 and up for these methods. And then you want to look at the refund rate, okay? And you want to make sure that it's under 8%, okay? Because that's a good gauge. If it's like 13% here, I wouldn't promote this, okay? Because it's kind of telling you most people are buying and then refunding. And if they refund, if it's in the period, you won't actually make the money, okay? So you want to make sure that you promote something that is selling well, that's a good product, and it has a low refund rate. And for Jvzoo, what you would do is you would actually request approval, click there. And then once you get taken to this page, you would basically hit I've read. You say, I'm not a robot, and then you just hit request approval, okay? And once you do that, basically it's gonna send a request to that creator, that product creator, and they're gonna choose whether or not they're gonna approve you. Just starting off, you may not get approved on every single product you do, so I recommend on Jvzoo you apply to different products, and you will get approved to some of them, and then those are the ones that I would start to promote. And then once you get approved, you'll see where you can copy your affiliate link right there, okay? So Jvzoo, again, very powerful site to find products. Again, mostly in the internet marketing and make money online niche or niche, but keep this in mind. I've used it and a lot of my students have as well. Now, the last site I'm gonna recommend you find products in the first step of this two-step powerful method to find products and then get people to those products to buy without a website or blog is Amazon.com. Now, a lot of people don't realize Amazon.com, basically, you can find any product that you've bought maybe on Amazon or you have bought maybe like a physical product, maybe a TV, maybe speakers, whatever the case may be, chances are you can find that on Amazon, okay? And again, even better if you've already bought it off of Amazon. A lot of people don't realize every single product on Amazon has the ability to get an affiliate link to promote, okay? So again, I would personally, if you want to do the Amazon way, I would personally think about what products do I have around my house? Have you bought a product from Amazon recently? I personally bought this sound bar, okay? So I have this remote right here, and I can hit a button and music will start playing. I have a speaker, right, a sound bar. Now, I just bought that from Amazon like a week ago. I could use the method I'm gonna share a little bit later to literally promote that product because I personally think it's a really good product and it's really good, and I could promote that, okay? So I typed in camera, and you can just see that this camera you could promote, okay? $49, $149. So you kind of want to, it's good with Amazon to pick something that you've already either bought or you have experience with, because what we're going to be doing is in one of the methods we're going to do a review on this product, which is just giving our opinion. And if you've never bought the product or you haven't used it, it's going to be very difficult to do a review on something you've never used, okay? So this is going to be easy that you can just find a product to start doing. Now, once you find one on Amazon, you want to open it up. And for Amazon, basically, it's called the Amazon Associates Program. Again, you can Google that. I have a video on more detail on Amazon. What you would do is basically join that Associates Program, and then at the top of Amazon, whenever you open up a product, it would have a bar where you can copy your affiliate link. Okay, so it will give you your affiliate link at the top of Amazon once you're an associate, okay, or an affiliate of Amazon. I hope that makes sense. And again, I have other videos where I go more detail. But again, what you would do is just get your link, and you could start promoting this exact camera. So very, very powerful. Now, before I move on to the 3 free methods that you don't need a website or blog to start getting tons of affiliate sales with, I want to share with you one more place to find a product. And a lot of times, like with Amazon, you make about 3% to up to like 10% commission. So it doesn't pay you that much. So off a $149 product, you may only make, $10. You may only make, $15 or so. So you're not going to be making a lot of money. If you want my #1 recommended place to find affiliate products to promote, the exact way that I'm promoting right now to earn up to 100% of the money when I make a sale, then I recommend you click the first link in the description, put your email in, and I'll send you an overview on exactly my #1 recommended place to find products. But again, I want to share with you the top 3 that are most well known right now, so you can kind of get an idea and choose one. Now, what is the first method, my friend? Because first step is to find a product. What is the second step? Those 3 methods to really start generating free visitors to our affiliate links to make sales as soon as this week without a website or blog. Well, the very first method is probably not a surprise to most people, and that is YouTube. Okay, I personally use YouTube all the time. I love it. And the reason I love it is because with certain keywords, you can literally attract people that are searching for answers or searching for information about the affiliate product you're promoting. And one of the best ways is to do a review video. What you have to realize is, and I have on the screen right here a review, which I'll talk a little bit more about in a second that I've actually done. But what you have to realize is people are 24/7 going to YouTube. They're typing in products and then review. Okay, so maybe like, let's say there's a new camera, let's say it's a Samsung camera, and people, it just releases. Well, people are going to YouTube all the time typing in Samsung review, Samsung 10 review, whatever the camera name, plus review. Well, what happens is a list of videos come up that have been done by people giving reviews on that camera. And what you can do is simply, if you have a camera, that's why for Amazon, I recommend you use a product you already have. You can literally, with a smartphone or a webcam, hold up the product that you have from your house and say, hey guys, I want to do a review of this product. I bought this a week ago. And then you just share your honest opinion, whether you like it or you don't. And if you do like it, you would leave your affiliate link, let's say to Amazon, in the description of the video, okay, underneath. So I have a link in the description. And you would put that link there, and then at the end of your video, you'd say, hey, I hope you enjoyed this review. I honestly personally recommend this camera. If you want access to it, be sure to go to the link below. And you want to tell people to go to the link below so they buy through your link and not go and research it on someone else's site, right? So that's the first method to get free traffic. Anyone can do a video, you can throw it up, and you never know what video is going to go viral. I mean, this video alone got 20, I did this, February 19th, 2017. So at the time of recording, over 2 years ago. And, this method still works today, right? I've done this so many times, and this had 29,498 views, 470 likes, and believe you me, I made thousands of dollars of people that went to this link and bought, okay? So the method absolutely works, and I had to share that one with you. Now, what's the second free method? The second free method is using Instagram, right? A lot of people, they have an Instagram profile, but what they don't realize is you can actually start to promote products from your profile. Now, I've done this a lot, and you can see right here in my description, in my bio, I have a link. And a lot of people, they do not have any links in their Instagram profile, and they're wondering why they're not making money. Well, let's say you're posting on Instagram daily. Well, if you just put a link, let's say an affiliate link, you go to Amazon, you go to Clickbank, you put that affiliate link in the bio, okay, chances are some people are going to come to your profile and click on it, and you could potentially make sales. Now, there's a little bit more to this, and I go into more detail in some of my other videos on how to use Instagram specifically, but some of the main concepts are you want to, again, have something in your bio. You also want to tell people to click on that link. A lot of people just put a link in their bio, but they're not telling people a reason to actually click on the link. As you can see right here, you know, I am promoting something that helps people live the life of their dreams, work about an hour a day, and make up to $1,000 per commission, 100% commissions on autopilot. And again, that's the link in the description. You can find out more information. But I say right here, want more freedom to do what you love? See how I make a living from my laptop in just an hour a day. And then I link to that link, and that goes to my affiliate site. And again, you don't have to have a website. You can just send it directly to your affiliate link. And what you want to do, the last step really for Instagram, and again, there's more steps, but to make this easy, is you want to be posting pictures, okay, that relate to whatever you're promoting. So if you're in weight loss, okay, if your product that you're wanting to promote maybe on Clickbank is in weight loss, then what you would do is post pictures of weight loss quotes. Okay, you can post pictures of people that have lost weight, maybe before and after pictures. Okay, you can go to Google Images and type weight loss motivation, and you can actually upload those pictures onto your Instagram. And the cool thing is, what will happen, you'll start to get people seeing your pictures, and then sometimes in your bio or in the description of the picture, okay, so if I open this, you'll see that if I go up, okay, I say, if you don't like the road you're on, start paving a new one. Well, on some of my pictures, what I've done and what I'd recommend you to do, you could say something like that, you know, and then right after that, you could say, by the way, if you want to discover how I'm able to live this life, go to the link in my bio, okay? And you're directing people to your bio link. And again, that's going to be how you're going to be getting traffic and potentially sales as people go to it. Again, you don't need a website or blog, and you can start doing this as soon as today. Another bonus tip with Instagram, it's good to use hashtags, okay, which are basically ways to categorize your picture and start to attract people. So you could use hashtags like weight loss tips, if that's what you're doing, and you'll start to attract people interested. Now, the last free method is something using Facebook, okay? Now, Facebook is a gold mine because almost everyone has a Facebook account and it's totally free. And I personally have made thousands and thousands of dollars the last 5 years online just using my free Facebook account, not running any paid ads, not using a blog or a website, just using my profile. And there's really two ways you can use Facebook. You can do it on your Facebook profile, which I have, okay, I've posted. I post videos, I post proof, okay, of products that I'm promoting, and I've built a following. Okay, so I have, close to 8,000 people that follow me. I've built this following. So when I post, people are going to potentially see it, and I can send them to my affiliate product and stuff like that. But you may be watching this and maybe you don't have a big following. Maybe you don't have a lot of friends. Well, for you, I recommend you go to Facebook groups. So you can actually go to Facebook, go to the top, go to groups, and then type in the topic of the product you're promoting, followed by groups. And then what's going to happen on Facebook is a list of groups in that topic are going to start to appear. And what you want to do is go through and join some of these groups that have at least 10,000 members. And then what you want to do is go into those groups and start posting. Now, you don't just want to spam your links, okay? People aren't just going to click a random link in most cases. You want to actually share value, give information, teach, share tips, share motivation. And as you start to build a little following, as people start to recognize you in the group as someone that gives value, that they know, like, and trust, now you can, post, hey guys, I've been posting in here for a little bit. What I want to do is actually share with you, if you're interested, my #1 recommended way to lose weight, or my #1 mixed martial art training course, or my #1 whatever, my favorite camera. Okay, maybe you join a group on photography and you share your favorite camera, and that links to an Amazon product. Okay, so this method is absolutely incredible, and it's totally for free, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video, my friend. If you did get value on exactly how you can start promoting affiliate products without a website or blog, be sure to smash that like button to let me know to make more. Also, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest full training just like this. And last but not least, my friend, if you're watching this and you want a done-for-you affiliate marketing business in a box, maybe you want to learn more information on exactly how to use Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and more, and you just want a high-paying affiliate product that pays up to 100% commissions, again, be sure to click the first link in the description and check that out. Really think you're going to like that. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.